Since I started FPV, I had the idea of flying here in this spot, and yeah, I don't know if it's gonna happen today. We made a long way here, so yeah, I'm a bit sad about this. The weather changed so fast. Hope will change again. Some clouds are coming really fast and the lighting is gone. So all the colors of the sea are disappeared. We will wait a bit, but I don't know. Even though the weather is not ideal, I will make the first test flight with the Avatar to see how it performs and take some shots of my friend, which is there in the middle, and prepare the path and find some good spots for when the lighting is really good back on. The weather is definitely pushing the Avatar on the side. I can say definitely Avatar is not made for this windy situation, for these windy days, but it performed decent, and I think I have some nice clips for the first try, for the first flight. Also the sun is more out than before, so I have to change NDs, and also I think it's overexposed a bit. I performed the first flight with the stabilization of the Avatar inside the Rocksteady to check how it performs, and now in the next flights I will use, as usual, my gyroflow for stabilization in post. It's a bit of extra hassle, but it definitely gives you a lot of room to play with the footage and the stabilization and crop, and yeah, it's definitely worth it. So we are good, I think, for the second flight with the sun above us. So let's go. Let's see how we'll get up from this battery. Started with 12 minutes, but I think not more than 5 to 6. Let's go to the mountains, up again. if the wind gives us some space. With FCC mode, Avatar goes really a step further than normally. So if anyone wants to have better signal, definitely FCC mode is a must. Now we are up in the mountains. I will start cruising down. Whoa, this is a nice view. When I am above the mountains, the air pushes me so far away. But now we make all the upper part of the mountains, and here we dive. This was something. Now it's too much wind. We have the wind in the front, so it's so difficult for the drone to handle it. We'll go on the sides, which I think is not so strong. Yeah, it's better. We'll go close to the earth. We have some goats and sheep here. Hello. One more dive. We'll try one more dive. These mountains look so nice. This was stressful. Let's go back. when the drone was up there in the top and the return home function kicks in, and it was windy, so if the wind pushes it a bit over the mountain, no signal after that for sure, and then I would lose the drone definitely. And I changed it to manual up there because normal mode or sport mode, they didn't even move the drone. Probably it's so windy there, that's why. I'm still, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm shaking. This was an experience, but I think definitely the end results and the videos that I got from there, definitely worth it. But I'm happy that I didn't lose my drone there. There are different wind gusts, so one small push of the drone and then you can find it on the rocks, and then you bye-bye your drone. So yeah, definitely the weather is not ideal. I have to try again just one time for FPV. I will do a video about this. I am so happy that I finally managed to fly in this spot that I wanted from the first time I parked the Avata. The weather wasn't perfect, but yeah, when you are outside, you expect changes like this. Yeah, and that's it. So I will see you in the next one. Bye. Test, test. Yeah, and that's it.